What is up, YouTube? I am Clutch Marles, and a lot of you might be here because I have this giant QR code on the back of this Nissan Altima. You might have seen me going down the highway, parked somewhere in your town. You might have seen me in Stafford, Connecticut. I'm taking this Altima. I'm driving from Indiana, 16 hours to Stafford, Connecticut, and I'm gonna race in the New England 900, the Altima 400, Cleetus McFarland's race. So yeah, put this QR code on here so people can find me, follow me. Like I said, I'm Clutch Marles. I do demolition derby, ramp cars. If it sounds stupid, I'll probably do it. So yeah, it's a little bit about me. So if you haven't yet, hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends. Go check out my website, clutchmarlesmotorsports.com. Here we go.